Hi, sir. Nice to meet you.
Right, Jim.
Andrew.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
And I bought a new one,
Okay.
the exact same model on Amazon.
Okay.
I don't know if you could try to reprogram the old one still.
Give me a couple minutes.
All right.
All right.
Cool.
All right.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Keep programming successful. So you got the key. We lock, unlock, and start the car. 2064 Edge. Put it back and
That's OEM thing.
yes, different like the electronic and circuit, and that's it.
That's cool. At least that one works.
Yes, you have two both keys.
Cool.
Reflect for a new one. I got it.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Have a good day.
You too.